Namaste. I'm Rosalie and welcome to this short mantra meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, making sure your sitting bones are rooting down, connecting to the earth beneath you. Now reach the crown of your head up towards the sky, connecting to the sky above you. And we'll begin here taking 3 big cleansing breaths. Take a nice big inhale. Side out. And again. One more. Take a moment to tune into your body and notice if you're holding on to any tension anywhere. Is there any gripping, any tightness? And see if you can soften and release those parts. Perhaps in your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, your shoulders, completely letting go. Now tune into your mind without getting entangled in any storylines or to-do lists. Just notice and observe what is there, what thoughts are present. As you did with your body, can you soften and release the muscle of your mind? Now tune into your heart space. Can you drop your presence and your awareness deep down into your heart? Notice what is there. What feelings are there? And keeping your awareness on your heart space, start to notice the breath in the body. As the body breathes itself, notice that sense of expansion as you inhale and softening and release as you exhale. Now adding in the mantra, sohum. With each inhale, say to yourself, so. With each exhale, hum. Inhale, so. Exhale, hum. Let the mantra go whenever it feels right. But if you notice your mind wandering, bring your attention back to the mantra. We will spend a few minutes here. So, hum. Now let the mantra go and remain here for a few moments, simmering in this feeling of ease, stillness, and clarity that you've cultivated within yourself. Just taking a few moments here to reflect on the mantra we've used today. So hum, I am that. The idea that with every breath you take, you're connecting to all beings everywhere. We are all taking in the very same energy. We are all one. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie and I release a new video every week. So if you like this video, I'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to my channel. And come back to this practice anytime you want to cultivate the feelings of ease, stillness, and clarity. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.